Are you looking for the best single electric burner for cooking? With all the products available on the market, the process of finding the right single electric burner can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you, we've researched and tested many of the most popular products. The CUSIMAX ES-3101 electric burner hot plate is ideal for most people. It provides 7 temperature control heating settings for accurate electric cooking, allows you to heat up food in seconds to the temperature you want. Additional features include stainless steel housing, and its surface is smooth and easy to clean. This single burner electric hot plate can squeeze into small spaces, provide easy and adaptable cooking. It's an ideal choice for student accommodation, office use, camping, parties, RVs, or others. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we believe this model stands out from the rest. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.